Hey my RuleZ family, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Man and thank you so much for my ruler for showing me so much love and so much support. And guys, if you're not a part of my RuleZ family, please go subscribe to my channel, like my video, and don't forget to comment down below. Okay, guys, today I'm here to do reaction on my favorite Russian singer. Okay, Polina. And I love her voice. I love the way she is. I love everything from her. I'm going to watch her song and let's see how that's all that now. She's the most beautiful singer I ever see.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым, вьюга, дом мой укрой, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там, в тишине, ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда не поймешь. Где-то там, где со мной,
Wow.
так и не узнаешь
Wow.
ты. Белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя. Тихо, саваном белым, вьюга, дом мой укрой, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Снова я без тебя.
Wow. She is the most beautiful singer I ever saw in my life, I ever heard in my life. She is so beautiful. Her eyes, when she sings, there is some, I don't know what is this, but when I watch her, when I saw her, I'm in some another place, I'm watching her eyes and she's so beautiful. I can't tell you. This is my thing. Okay, I love her. I really love her. She is so beautiful. Oh my God. Okay. Other things, the voice is great. I always tell Polina she is one of the that singer that she know how to what you call how to let enjoy her audience. She know how to sing. She know how to handle her voice. Of course, she is a great singer, so she have all these things. But the best thing I love about her, she's the best performer. I watch most of her live videos only. Most of the videos that she's on stage, not her official videos. This kind of stuff that she's on live and singing live front of lot of people. You have to be super confident, you have to be professional. It's not easy, believe me. And she is one of the great performer, great singer, everything, dancer, everything she is. And she is my crush too, if you guys know now. I really love her. Please. Okay, other things, I really love the video, I enjoy so much, and I hope you guys also enjoy. If you enjoy, guys, please let me know. If you have any request in the comment section. I'm trying my best, I will do reaction on your videos, and I'm trying my best to upload 2 to 3 videos every week. This is my target now, so inshallah I'm doing my best. See you in my next video, guys. Take care, bye. Please show me more support and more love. Love you, take care, bye.